what that tells me is that 95% of folks out there are drafting things on ChatGPT and not even bringing it to a lawyer to review. And like, just talk about why that is like not a great idea.
Sure. I think we've probably all heard that I can hallucinate and make things up. At least within all of my legal friends, we've talked a lot about that and how it's made up cases and that sort of thing. And I've seen it. I actually, one of the things that I've noticed is I'll draft documents for a client. I work a lot of times with people that own horse properties. And so there's a lot of liability exposure. And so they come to me to help protect that. And we draft the documents, and then they take my documents and run them through AI and say, oh, well, what about this? And so one of the things is California is one of the only 2 states not to have an equine liability statute. So it's us and Maryland. So here in California, to get liability protection, you have to have a well-drafted release of liability. And so this client said, oh, and like rewrote things with AI, putting in a fake California liability statute. So it's, that's just one small example. I think also, while AI is getting smarter and better, and you can sort of prompt it to try to, not do that. If you don't have the underlying knowledge, you're not going to be able to he didn't pick up on that was the case, but for me, it's what I do every day. So obviously I can read through that and go, oh no, that won't work, or it'll switch. The other thing I've seen a lot is it might just sort of twist the holding of a case